Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you a cost-effective way to dye hard materials using black tea. Boil some water to brew your tea. You can use any type of black tea for this. Let it steep for at least 10 minutes or until the water turns dark brown in color. Once the tea is brewed, fold your material and dip it in the black tea mixture. Make sure it is fully submerged. You can use a spoon here to ensure it is fully submerged. Leave the material in the tea mixture for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the materials from the tea mixture and sun dry. This hack can also be used to dye feathers, bias, and it will not only save you money, but it's also a sustainable alternative to chemical dyes. Here are the materials now dried. This is the paper mat in its original color, and the brown is the tea dyed paper mat. And this is cinnamon material. The cream is in its original color and the brown is the tea dyed cinnamon. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more.